everyone, I am Halil from Komman Machinery, who is the best carpet washing manufacturer of the world. Today I am going to explain Monster 4200 full automatic carpet washing machine. So right now let's go through and revise our machine. We operate the belt here, and here quadruple disc brush, and here back quadruple disc brush. Via this button we operate the helical middle brush. Also here we operate the rinsing system. Also via this button the trolley. And via this button we operate the front brush. Speed adjustment of belt, trolley and rinsing will be adjusted here. Shampoo and water button, and this is button of the rinsing. We are the best carpet washing manufacturer of Turkey and all around the world without any doubt. Buy a Monster 4200 carpet washing machine and take your place in this cleaning sector which grows all around the world. See you in next video. Bye bye.